Are you looking for a different kind of real estate photography course? If you are, then you're in the right place because I've just published mine on Teachable. I'll put a link in the blog post. And yes, I'm excited. Today I've launched it. It's my first ever course. And it's a video of a similar quality to this one. Well, quite a lot of videos actually. And my first dive into recording my screen, which was very exciting. Okay, so in my real estate photography course, I explain in plain English, with no jargon or irrelevant stuff, everything you need to know about how to become a real estate photographer. I cover taking your first real estate photos, getting your first job, the gear you need, how to take and process the images, and how to market and build a successful real estate photography business. And this is all based on my own personal experiences. So yeah, this is all me, all the stuff I've done. This has all come out of my head, which is a worry, to be honest with you, but I'm sure it's fine. I also tell you in the course the one thing that will set you apart and above other real estate photographers. Now, I'm not going to tell you what it is now. You've got to buy the course to find that out. But it's a really important thing that we can all do. So check out the course on Teachable. Rick McEvoy, Rick's School, I do believe it's called. So yeah, well, if you're interested in it, get in touch. The blog post did say, interested, get in touch and let me know. The course is nearly complete and should be published and available to buy soon. And unusually with stuff like this, which normally takes longer than you plan, I got it finished before planned. I've just got in there, done it and published it, which is nice. So what's in the course? Oh, sorry, one thing I need to say is it's not a fancy course. This video here, excuse me, I'm just a little bit uncomfortable there, so I'm just going to move. It's all been videoed the same way as this. I don't know why we still call it videos when I'm recording something on my phone. It's not a fancy course. There's no fancy things, no infographics, no fancy photos. It's just me telling you what you need to know based on my individual experiences. And there's the first ever Lightroom ScreenFlow recordings by me, which it was a bit of a revelation, and I'm not going to lie to you, I absolutely love it. So there'll be plenty more of that. And these are things that I can publish on YouTube as well as on my blog and everywhere else. So exciting times ahead. So it's not a fancy course. In terms of payback for the investment of the course, you're obviously investing in yourself here. Sorry, I have to get into sales mode at some point. Your first 1 or 2 shoots will pay for the course, but the course will set you up for a long and hopefully prosperous and sustainable business. Not only in real estate photography, but I give you things in the business sections, things that you can think about where you can broaden your thinking beyond just real estate. There's other related things that you can do. And the beauty is that these are the same skills, techniques, equipment, gear, processing, workflows. It's stuff that you can do, but start at the beginning. Start with real estate photography and work from there. Plain English. The course is written and recorded in plain English because that's how I like to learn and that's how I like to teach. Okay, same as my podcast, Photography Explained podcast. Okay then, so what are the lessons? I'm just going to fly through them and then I'm done. Number 1, my introduction to real estate photography. Number 2, the business side of real estate photography. Number 3, getting started in real estate photography. Number 4, photography gear, what I use and what you need to know. 5, what camera settings I use and more importantly, how and why. This is basically teaching you how to take real estate photos, start to finish, camera settings, everything explained. Okay, how to prepare properly for a real estate shoot. 7, doing the shoot, yes, the fun bit. 8, data management and processing the photos in Lightroom, where I process some real estate photos in actual Lightroom. 9, your real estate photography portfolio. 10, marketing, how to be found and how to get work. Important, isn't it? Service standards and professionalism is 11, how to stand out. 12, summary and your next steps. Right, That's it. So, course is now available to buy. I hope you enjoy it. Please check out my website, rickmcavoyphotography.com, and why not check out the Photography Explained podcast. It's really very good. Thanks for watching. I've been Rick McEvoy. Cheers from me, Rick.